This is a subtitle edit power tip when burning in subtitles to video for those people who know how to use FFmpeg. Now, subtitle edit can burn in subtitles for those who don't know. So I've already got my subtitles here, and I can go up to video, generate video with burned in subtitle right here. Now, everything right here is more or less based on FFmpeg. So let's assume you want to use commands to burn in subtitles. When you're on this page, all you need to do is just right click on the generate button, and you're actually going to get this option, generate prompt FFmpeg parameters. Click on that. It's going to prompt you to save this video. Let's say we can call it burning, just up to there. And it's good that it always takes up the dimensions of the video and lets you know whatever X264 encoding that is being used. So let's leave it at burning, and then click on save. And from here, you're going to get a new prompt. You can run FFmpeg with the following parameters. So right here, it allows you to kind of change what you want. So you can make any changes that you want. So if you're like me and you don't know what you're doing, then you can go into the FFmpeg documentation right here and get to kind of see a couple of things. There are options for like subtitle options right here. More or less right here, advanced subtitle options, and everything in between. So if you know what is going on here, right about here, then you can add whatever FFmpeg commands you know right inside here. And let's assume you're satisfied, because all these options here are all these options right here. Let's assume you know and you're satisfied. Click on generate, and it's actually going to generate your video with the burned in FFmpeg parameters you just set. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.